Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to work on Unit 1, Week 2 grammar skills. We are going to be working on subjects and predicates. So we will be talking about simple subjects, complete subjects, simple predicates, and complete predicates. So before we get started, we're going to look at this worksheet and we're going to start at the beginning. Before we read the directions, there's an information box at the top. Who would like to read the information box? All right, everyone, so let's read it together. The subject names the person or thing the sentence is about. A simple subject is the main noun or pronoun in the complete subject. The predicate tells what the subject is or does. The simple predicate is the main verb or verb phrase in the complete predicate. So basically, the subject is telling us who we are talking about in the sentence or what, and the predicate is telling us about that subject. What are they doing? What are they? So let's start with a little practice. The teacher gave us a quiz. Who can tell me what the subject of the simple sentence is? The teacher gave us a quiz. Who can tell me the complete subject of this super easy sentence? All right, the teacher is our complete subject. That's telling us what or who the sentence is talking about. So in this sentence, we are talking about what the teacher does. The predicate would be gave us a quiz. So what did the teacher do? The teacher gave us a quiz. So the subject tells us who or what, the predicate tells us what they did. So if we were looking at the simple subject, we would simply focus on the word teacher. That is the main noun in our phrase. The tells us how many. The teacher tells me that it's just one teacher. Gave us a quiz, we're going to look at just gave as our simple predicate because that's what the teacher did. The teacher gave us something. So the complete subject would be the teacher. The complete predicate would be gave us a quiz. The simple subject would be just the word teacher, and the simple predicate would be just the word gave. So let's try again using our worksheet. Get your pencil and papers ready. All right, so I have my pencil getting ready, and we are going to start with number 1. Read each sentence, then circle the complete subject. Then we are going to write the simple subject on the line provided. Number 1, the young boy rode the bus to school. So for this page in section A, we are just focusing on the complete subject and then the simple subject. So my complete subject would be the young boy because that's who the sentence is about. My simple subject would just be the word boy. The and young just give me extra descriptive words to tell me about my subject, but in all, my subject is just about boy. Okay, number 2. My teacher, Mrs. Hill, likes museums. So my complete subject, who the sentence is about, you guessed it, my teacher, Mrs. Hill. All of that would be a part of the complete subject. It tells you everything about the subject. Who is Mrs. Hill? She's my teacher. But if we are focusing just on the simple subject, we would focus on Mrs. Hill. Excuse my writing, boys and girls. It's not very easy writing on a computer like this. Okay, so Mrs. Hill would be my simple subject. I could still say the same sentence without saying my teacher. I could still say Mrs. Hill likes museums. Okay, number 3. The 2 playful children made up a new game. So again, my complete subject tells me everything, all of the details about who the sentence is about. So who is the sentence about? The two playful children. That is my complete subject. It gives me all of the information and details about my subject. What's my simple subject? Just the word children. I don't need to know that there's two. I don't need to know that they are playful. All I need to know is that the sentence is about children. Okay, number 4, my sister's friend Anna plays soccer. So who is the sentence about? My complete subject? My sister's friend Anna. That gives me all of the descriptive language about the subject. And my simple subject, who is the sentence about? It is about Anna. Because again, we could say the same sentence without all of the extra words. We could just say Anna plays soccer. So that's why this is correct as our simple subject. All right, and number 5, the friendly dog ran fast. I'll give you a second to fill that one in yourself, and then we'll go over it together. Okay, let's check number 5. The friendly dog ran very fast. Who is the sentence about? What is our complete subject? The friendly dog. What is our simple subject? Just the word dog. Okay, so on to section B. Read each sentence and circle the complete predicate. Then write the simple predicate on the line provided. So this is where we are going to figure out not who the sentence is about, but what is the subject doing. So if the sentence is about Mrs. Hill, what is Mrs. Hill doing? If the sentence is about a dog, what is the dog doing? Again, we're going to look at the complete predicate, all of the extra descriptive words, and we're going to look at the simple predicate, just the main verb or verb phrase that tells us the action that the subject is doing. So number 6, we walked to the park. For this one, our subject would be we, but what did we do? We walked to the park. My simple predicate would just be walked, because that is the verb that's telling us what it is that we did. Okay, number 7. My brother Ken collects old stamps. So our subject is my brother Ken. But what does Ken do? He collects old stamps. My complete predicate would be collects old stamps. Now, if I'm doing just the simple predicate, what word or word phrase would I use? You're right, collects. That is the verb that tells me exactly what he's doing. What does Ken do? He collects things. Okay, number 8. I cooked a delicious dinner. So the subject is I, me. What am I doing? What did I do? I cooked a delicious dinner. I'm going to underline the entire predicate phrase to tell you exactly what it is that I did. I cooked a delicious dinner. But what is my simple predicate? I cooked. Number 9, Mom works hard all day. So our subject is Mom. But what did she do? She worked all hard all day. And our simple predicate would be works. This will be a good time for you to pause, and I'll give you a chance to do number 10 on your own. The shy rabbit hopped away quickly. So, what is the subject and what is the subject doing? That is our complete predicate. Take some time now and underline your complete predicate and write your full predicate on the line. Okay, let's work on number 10. The shy rabbit hopped away quickly. So, my subject is the shy rabbit. But what did the shy rabbit do? He hopped away quickly. That's my complete predicate. My simple predicate is hopped. Just the one verb that tells us what it is that the subject did. The subject hopped. All right, boys and girls, I hope this helped you understand your introduction to subjects and predicates, both complete subjects and predicates and simple subjects and predicates. I have another video, so come on over and play the grammar game with me on your Wonders account. See you there.